Hi to all, welcome to my channel. So in last videos we're already seen how to create file and how to create the directories and how to find the how to redirect from one directory to the file, or how to redirect files from one directory to another directory, and how we are adding user and how we are converting normal user to sudo user, super command user. These things and all we learned from previous class. So now this session, so we are going to discuss about specially grep. So this grep command in DevOps or Linux, this is the most used command. So we can use this command grep and find. Both are most used commands. We'll see about find commands later. So now we are going to discuss about grep. So here grep is a command so used for searching a text in a file or find the exact matching content with the text or the files. So here for this one, so these the commands here will be there. So I'll explain you from first clearly, then I'll go through some examples, then you'll get some clear picture idea. So grep, this is the command, so we can it will show the all the matching lines with the text in that file. So and grep r, so this is the command, it will show the all the matching lines of the text along with the file path. So this is the grep n, so it will show along with matching lines, it display the line like displaying the line numbers. And this is the I, grep I is the ignores the case comparison. For example, there is a genre called ZONOR, already text is there, but if you insert here in this place capital Z ONOR, it won't find because this is the case sensitive here. So we need to, so here it will ignore. If you use I here, then you are able to find that. If you use here capitals also, capital word also, you are able to find. So another one is grep W, it will show the matches of the whole word. So and one more thing, grep O, so it will output the matches word only exact. So this is the grep C, so it will count off occurrences like how many files is there. So I'll show you. So I'm going to like my Ubuntu, there I will show you. So these the Ubuntu here, I'm redirecting CD here. So I'll show you some directories actually. So in the production, this is a directory. So in this directory I have two files. One is I'll show you. So I'll show you the tree structure, then after that we'll perform this grep commands in the production directory. That will be better. I will show you for you first tree diagram of the production. See, so in the in the production directory we have two files. One is the new script and another another one is script. I'll open this one now. Cat, sorry, it's redirecting somewhere. Yeah, this is the file, tree production. Right, ls new script cat. So this is the text inside the new script. Now we are going to perform these commands in the text, in this text. So here first of all I am going to find grep text and file name. So here what's the thing is there, see grep, so I'm taking genre, what's the file name here. So I'll give you for total directory path also. Sorry, already we are in the production. One second. Yeah, grep genre or the direct production new script. See, we are able to see the exact genre here. So in the 4 places it will be there. So we are using just grep command and the like the text, and this is the production is the directory and this is the file path. So I'll move to another command -r, it will show you the matching lines of the text along with the file path. So here this is the command I just modified. So why again we need to write. Yeah, 1 second. I think there is something mismatch. Yeah, sorry, we need to use capital R. Okay, it's displaying the capital R means along with the file path. So it's not displaying the file path. We'll discuss you later about this one. So this is the one we are going to use another command, grep -n. Grep -n. What's the file path? Production new script. See here. So in these lines like 1, 2, 4, 11. So we are already given some text Jono. So we are able to find these details. That means like it will show along with matching lines, it display the line number. So here it's displaying the line number, right? So one more command, grep I. So this is a case sensitive, already I show you, right? So once I'll explain you. So this is the one where previous we are in small Jono. Now I'm going with capital new. Sorry. See, now I am not able to find because Jono is a case sensitive. So what I am going to do now is I am using the small one more command here. See now I am able to find. This is a case sensitive find. If you are using caps, then the text is already in the small. Then we are going to cover using this I command here. So and one more thing is W. So it will show the matches the whole word. So coming to command grep W Jono again. See here, it will show you the whole word here. So then if you want, then I will show you in another way also for you. See the whole word it's displaying here. So what we are given previous, the whole word we are able to see now. See here, only the perfectly matched words only we are able to see here, the whole word. So grep wo. So I'll show you here. Yeah, we can use one more command also here. I want to see numbers and the in the output the words also. For that one we are going to use both like O and N. So I'll show you now. OR. See, we combined here two commands. So 1, 2, 4, 11 we are able to see the joiner, right? So and one more command wo. So wo is exactly will print the particular. I'll show you now. See the particular word what we are given. But if you want to use here, if you want to see the number count also, we can combine. We can use ON here. So then it will show the with numbers. So C, it will count the occurrences actually. I will show you now. Occurrences we are able to see here. See how many occurrences means like how many places. The count it will be show here. So and one more thing, grep joiner. Actually it will be show here in the path. Actually I don't know like why here it's not showing the path. Let me show you one more thing. Yeah, that's it. I think hope you understand this grep. My videos, please subscribe and share.